turn on the TV and the aircon, and then I'll be saying I'm leaving. Hey Google, turn on the TV.
Sure, turning the TV on.
Hey Google,
What time should I set the alarm for?
7 a.m.
There, your alarm is set for 7 a.m. Goodnight, bye.
hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you what our Google Home can do. We set up our Google Home as our smart assistant. It can turn on and off our appliances such as the TV, the fan, aircon, humidifier, and much more. So this is our Google Home. And this is the sun-off Wi-Fi smart socket. This is our Broadlink Mini. We use both of these to control our appliances. Sun-off Wi-Fi smart socket is used for the appliances which have no remote control. For example, the fan and the humidifier. Then we use our Broadlink Mini for the appliances with remote control like the TV and aircon. So now we'll plug the sun-off Wi-Fi smart socket to show you how it works. I'll show you the routines that my dad set up. The routines are good morning, good night, I'm leaving, I'm home, and showtime. Now I'll turn on the TV and the aircon, and then I'll be saying I'm leaving. Hey Google, turn on the TV.
Sure, turning the TV on.
Hey Google, turn on the aircon.
Sure, turning on aircon.
Hey Google, I'm leaving.
Okay. Have a good day, bye.
When you tell Google I'm leaving, she will turn off all the appliances that are on. Hey Google, I'm home.
Hi, Rye, welcome home.
So when you tell Google I'm home, she will only turn on the fan. I'll show you the routines. Hey Google, good morning.
Good afternoon, Rye. Rye.
Google, good morning.
Good afternoon, Rye.
So when you tell Google good morning, she will turn.
The time is 1:50 p.m.
off the fan.
It's currently
humidifier,
90 and
the
mostly
aircon.
cloudy there. Today, there'll be scattered thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 90 and a low of 78. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 102. Have a nice day.
So that's what's gonna happen when you say good morning. Say good night. Hey Google, good night.
There'll be thunderstorms there tomorrow, with a high of 88 and a low of 78. What time should I set the alarm for?
7 a.m.
It looks like there's already an alarm set for then. There'll be thunderstorms there tomorrow, with a high of 87 and a low of 78. What time should I set the alarm for?
7 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. Good night, Rye.
So when you tell Google good night, she'll turn off the TV and the monitor if it's on. If the fan and the humidifier is off, she'll turn them on as well. You can ask math problems, the spelling of words, and much more. For example, hey Google, how to spell floxinoxanide hilification?
Floxinoxanilipilification is spelled FLOXINOXINIHILIPILIFICATION.
And now I'll ask Google a math question. Hey Google, what is 108 times 299?
The answer is 32,292.
And also translate different languages. Hey Google, what is how are you in Korean?
In Korean, that's
어떻게 지내?
Hey Google, what is sorry in Spanish?
in Spanish, that's
Lo siento.
You can also connect your Spotify account to Google so that you can play music anytime you want to. Hey Google, play Friends by Anne Marie and Marshmello.
Friends by Anne Marie, Marshmello, sure, playing on Spotify.
Eternity later.
Hey Google, play Bad Guy by Billie Eilish on Spotify.
Okay, Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. Here it is on Spotify.
(8:28 a.m.)
Hey Google,
There was a glitch.
hey Google,
There was a glitch.
hey Google.
There was a glitch.
1.
And in our next video, we will be unboxing the Citation 1 with a speaker and the Google Home. So we will teach you how to set up your Google Home so that you're able to use it as your smart assistant. So thank you for watching again, and please like and subscribe and also hit the notification bell. Hey Google, play Bad Guy by Billie Eilish on Spotify.
Bad Guy by Billie Eilish, sure, playing on Spotify.
Like you really rough, I just can't get enough, right? Just always so puff, right? I'm not that type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh.
Control. Edit this part out now. 1. You play the role, I'll be your.
Thursday, there'll be scattered thunderstorms with a high of 86 and a low of 78. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 88. What time should I set the alarm for?
7 a.m.
There, your alarm's set for 7 a.m. Good night, Bri.